Alright, so if you look at the question, so basically the coordinates of P is given, Q is given, M is the midpoint of PQ, O is the origin. So very quickly, are you able to tell me, make use of position vector, the following vectors? So basically for OP and OQ, you can find out based on the coordinates to get their position vector. But in the event I need to find PQ, I can use the formula that I derived just now. Position vector of OQ minus position vector of OP. You will get 610. Am I right? Okay, so these are the three. However, there is another one, OM. How can we find OM? What did they say about the M? It's half, right? Half of PQ. So what must I do to PQ? Multiply by half. So use a scalar multiple. Remember I told you yesterday, do not divide by half. Use the scalar multiple. You should get 3/5. Alright, this sums up part 1. Okay, this method is wrong, so I better correct myself. OM is not 3/5. Yes. Why? This is actually for PM. So it's wrong. This is not OM. I need to find OM. But I cannot find OM. I know M is half of PQ. So what can I do? I find PM first. After I found PM, remember, PM is also a position vector. PM is made up of OM minus OP. Am I right? Take note, PM, I can make use of the position of OM minus OP. Since PM is given, I want to find OM. I don't know what is OM, but I know what is OP. So I make use of a backward result. This is how I find OM. If, let's say, the diagram is not given. So I'll still get 5, -2. Alright, you may want to note down on this particular part. Okay? If the diagram is not given, this will be the way I find OM. Then after that, Jia Tong, can you help me press calculator? 5.39. Okay, the next one is very important. This is something like your mid-year result. I told you some of you can see from diagram. If you cannot, you can use vector, which I'm going to teach. Yes. Take note, in part C, the order matters. I don't care about the diagram. I'm assuming there's no diagram. You can use this for AMF also, just to let you know. But in AMF, we usually use what? Midpoint method, correct? You can use midpoint method also, but this one say must use vector method. So, assuming I just write like that. O, P, R, Q. I don't care. I just write in this order. I must use vector method. There are two methods I can use. Since it's a parallelogram, do you agree OP is equal to QR? This is the first method. This also means OQ is equal to PR. This is the second method. All agree? Okay. If I want to use the second method, use the position vector. So OQ, what is PR? The position vector of OR minus OP. You have OQ and OP. Go and find OR. Likewise, if I want to use the first method, OP is equal to the position vector of OR minus OQ. Alright? If you have not completed this part, this is the hint that I want to give to you.